Hey everyone, is Discord not working in Russia right now? Maybe you can't connect to servers, your messages aren't sending, or voice chat just won't load. This happens more than you think. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Discord in Russia using a simple and reliable method that works. Make sure to check the link in the description for NordVPN, the tool I personally use to get Discord working again. Fast and safely. If you're in Russia and Discord isn't working properly, it's probably not a bug. It's likely censorship or ISP-level restrictions. The Russian government has restricted Discord in the past, especially during sensitive times like protests or political unrest. You might see the app won't open, voice chat won't connect, servers or messages not loading. It's frustrating, but there's an easy fix. To get around these restrictions, you'll need to use a VPN. Virtual Private Network. A VPN changes your IP address so you appear to be in another country, encrypts your internet traffic so your ISP can't block apps like Discord, restores full access to text, voice, video, and screen sharing. Not all VPNs work in Russia. Many free ones are blocked, too slow, or leak your data. That's why I recommend NordVPN. Obfuscated servers designed to work in countries with censorship. Fast speeds, perfect for voice and video chat, 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free. Here's how to fix it, step by step. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and download the app. Step 3. Go to Settings, enable obfuscated servers. Step 4. Connect to a server outside of Russia, like Germany, the Netherlands, or the US. Step 5. Open Discord. It should now work like normal. If Discord still doesn't work, here are a few things to try. Switch to another VPN server. Restart Discord or your device. Clear Discord's cache, especially on desktop. Change VPN protocol to NordLynx or OpenVPN TCP. One of these should fix the issue. And that's how you fix Discord in Russia when it's not working. Just use NordVPN with obfuscated servers. Connect to a different country. Open Discord and enjoy full access again. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN with a discount and 30-day money-back guarantee. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more Discord tutorials that work anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.